अहानबदा मरुओइबा पाउसिंग Manipur State Police Modernization Taunabagidamag Ministry of Home Affairs na lupa crore chamaga marifutaratarug district hukumatoi approve tawakre. Next के मखादा मणिपुर स्टेट की ओइना लुपा crore chamriga nifumathoi district kuntrani panchangna Project Kunmanga Paikhatli Haina Donor State Minister Dr. Shukan Majumdarna Hongdokre. Atienda matamda fangkiba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi tarirak suba session Governor Speaker TH Satyabratana ngarang numidang wairam sindai adjourn tawkre. Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen MLA LM Khawte amasong MLA Ngursanglo Sanate Visual Murta Assembly Session Saryaki. Amasong Hanagi Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC gi President Oina Khankre. ISCOM Manipuri News mit yang tabiri ba pumnamakpur sana Shermin na taramok sa bagaloy na pungja sifaw bagi maruoy ba pauseng sandok na pijari. Manipur da Kanglup ki irang thoktuna charang na ba fibam amada layriba asi kokhan na bagi damag amadi state asida law and order ningtina ngam na bagi damag akan ba mit yang thamduna state police forces sing modernization taunaba Ministry of Home Affairs MHA Government of India na lupa crore chamaga marifutara taruk district humfumathoi sanction tawkre hairi hiram asiga mari lainana MHA na thokiba notification amada Ministry asina Manipur gi oina ahanba miyeng thamduna state asida law and order ningthina ngak pangamnabagi damak state police forces asi modernization tawba tangai fadaba leibana State asigi oina cybercrime helpline asi ningthina mathau tawhanba haukibaga loinana cyber forensic division amaso hangdokre aduga remote location kuntra humdoi CCTV surveillance kinba hokre hairi Manipur state ki oina police forces modernization gi damak security mobility forensic equipment amaso smart policing initiative sing ningthina leihannabagi damak Ministry asina lupa crore chamaga marifutara taruk dasmek humfumathoi asi sanction tawdana police forces singi mapangal kankhat hannaba hotnaragani hairi masigi mathakta lupa crore yankhai mari sanction tawdana police infrastructure development project ki makhada police station singi renovation tawba barracks quarter amasong peace camp sing sabagi thabak paikhatpa hokre SASCI gi makhada achoba project tarataruk approve tawkre amadi Mantipukri da leiba police museum ama yauba anoba police headquarter ama sangakre income jalishing ani kunmanga amadi kuntarukta thokiba investment tawduna Manipur state ta fire amasong emergency service singi infrastructure sing fagat hannabagi damak rescue equipment sing leisinduna punna personal lishing humfumat humdoida training pikre aduga mock drill lishing amaga chamnga rom pangthokre hairi paikhatliba police forces modernization scheme asigi manungda narcotica mari lainaba case chamada marifudara% amadi koina panduna leramba crimes investigation case chamada marifudara 30% dispose tawduna criminal justice delivery da hainingai leitana improvement leire hairi Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region Donor gi makhada nauna Central Sector Scheme ama oina paikhatliba Northeast Special Infrastructure Development Scheme NESIT scheme makhada Manipur State ki oina lupa crore chamriga nifumathoi dasmek kuntranipan changna project kunmanga paikhatli haina Donor State Minister Dr. Sukan Majumdarna haujik chathariba Parliament ki Rajya Sabha da phongdokre Rajya Sabha session da hanglakhiba wahangi paukhum piraduna Minister Dr. Sukan Majumdar na pikiba paukhumda North East Special Infrastructure Development Scheme ase inkumja lishing ani tarataret amadi taranipanda Anoba Central Sector Scheme oina haudokhibani Scheme ase inkumja lishing ani kunithoi amadi kulhumdoida component ani thokna road amasung other than road infrastructure haina khaidoki Haukiba chahi inkumja lishing ani kunmanga gi December kuntramathoi fawbada Nesets Road Project amasung other than road infrastructure gi project kuntaret chahi ani gi mamangda sanction tawkhri adubu project sing asigi kaithokhiba senfam sing chada yankai haujiksu sizinaba ngamdana leiri Nesets gi sanction tawkhiba project sing implement tawbagi matam asi geographical location terrain availability of land clearance singi khudongchadaba amasung shell thumgi makha poli haiki Manipur gi Anoba Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan Singh na chair lauduna haukhiba yumsagi sanumitta famkhiba ahanba cabinet mifamna Tarani Thoi Suba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi Taret Rak Suba session kaunaba warep laukraba matong Governor Ajay Kumar Bhallana session sumon tauduna ngarang nungthil pung mari rom tabada Manipur Legislative Assembly da Governor gi address thamkraba matong tongan ba Assembly gi business sing chatharaba matong Speaker TH Satyabrata Singh na session ado matam kaktana sign date adjourn tokre haina lauthokre Ngarang chathakiba session adu Governor Ajay Kumar Bhallagi warol piduna haudokhi Governor Assembly session da pikhiba warol adugi matung inna motion of thanks adu Cabinet Minister Govindas Konthaujam na pikhi aduga Deputy Chief Minister Losi D Khona second tawki House ki makha chatharakpa business cha Chief Minister Y Khemchan Singh na Business Advisory Committee gi mapan suba report house tathamki Madugi matungda nauna semlaba government asigi thajaba vote confidence in the Council of Ministers vote launabagi matangda pukhatki aduga thajabagi vote adu voice vote ta mic pakhi Chathakiba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi session aduda nauna khallaba Chief Minister amasong Leader of House oiriba Yumnam Khemchan Singh na phongdokhibada State asida ing tappa puraknaba honabada ruling amasong opposition gi member khuding makna thodang lominasi haiki tungda hanagi Chief Minister oiramba opposition party gi luchingba MLA Okram Ibobi na pikhraba Manipur State asigi territorial integrity da sokadaba demand sing State asida leiriba furup amatana tobigano haina phongdokhi amaromda Senior Congress MLA K Ranjit Singh na House ta phongdokhibada Chahi ahum faraklaba Kanglup ki irangi manungda miyam pumnamakna ingtappa pami masagi mayumda hanjil hanbiyu haina lauba ngamhandana nongmai chingdon da thamlaga machin meliba lona yadaba khutlai paiba singi mathakta haujik nauna lakliba government asina military crackdown chathabiyu maduna trabadi lamdab asida ingtappa purakpa ngamloi haiki
I place on record my appreciation for the people of state for their resilience, patience and steadfast commitment to peace. The path ahead calls for understanding, cooperation and the collective support of all as we work together to restore harmony and advance shared prosperity. Honorable members, the maintenance of law and order remained the foremost priority of the government. The coordinated efforts of the central and state governments, security forces, civil administration and community institutions have enabled Manipur to move steadily towards peace and stability. I would like to acknowledge the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and Shri Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji for restoring peace and normalcy in the state. Intelligence-led operations, area domination and coordinated search activities across vulnerable districts led to marked improvement in the overall law and order situation.
Manipur State ki oina nauna khankraba Yumnam Khemchan Singh na Chief Minister oiduna anoba lengak amasem khraba matong ngarang chathakiba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi tarik raksuba session aduda nauna Deputy Chief Minister na oina khankraba Kangpokpi Assembly Constituency gi MLA Nemcha Kipgen Churchanpur AC gi MLA LM Khauti amasong MLA Ngur Sanglor Sanate punna virtual mode session adu saru yakre MLA LM Khauti amasong MLA Ngur Sanglor Sanate haukiba yumsagai sanumitta Lok Bhavan Imphal da pangthokpa Y Khemchan Singh of State asigi Chief Minister oina wasak lobagi thoram saru yaramki Manipur gi anoba sarkar sembada Kukizo MLA Singh asina saru yariba makhoi gi mathakta Kukizo Singh na Churachanpur Kangpokpi amadi cycle na chingba mafam singda yaningdabagi khongjang Singh kanna changsilingai manungda makhoi ahum Delhi da leiba Manipur Bhavan dagi virtual mode state assembly session ado saru yakibani Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC gi nauna thaupu gadaba miyoi sing ngarang Congress President na khankre MPCC Manipur State Unit ki oina hanagi Chief Minister MLA Okram Ibobi Singh Congress Legislature Party Leader gi oina MLA Kaisha Megachandra Singh Deputy Leader oina MLA K Ranjit Singh Working President oina Victor Kaishing amasong Manga Wi-Fi Treasurer oina Muhammad Fajur Rahim Campaign Committee Chairperson oina MLA TH Lokeshwar Singh amasong Election Committee gi Chairperson oina Moirangthem Okendro oina khalakle Hiramasiga Marilainana All India Congress Committee General Secretary KC Venugopal na official oiba chirol ama thokre Manipur State asida igi awat palaitanaba amadi yumthong khudingi blood donors sing leihannabagi pandamda Project G Foundation gi Society ama oiriba Work for Humanity Group WHG na sinduna blood donation com awareness camp blood donation camp ama pangthokre Blood donation com awareness camp asli Manipur College ki NCC unit amadi Department of Medicine RIMS ka khutsam naduna SBTC amadi NHM Manipur na matiyang pangki ngasi outdoor da sinba blood donation camp asigumba camp sing mafam anida chathakigani maram asina leibak miyam na Work for Humanity Group Project Jida support pibiduna makhata na chathagadauriba blood donation camp sing asida saru yabiyo haina yengkhom wangthoi Event in charge Project Gina appeal torakli.
Tungan-tungan ba Manipurda lenali chekya sindor pasida Manipurda leiriba donor ki masing si yamna wat pa na maram oirakanda achauba awabu mayuk narakwa masibu Project Gina angamba pambaina mateng pangani habigi pandamda tungan-tungan ba campaign test aina chatharakanda Bagi donor sing home bagi pandai itu sama kanda, juga bagi mungkin panggil kita sendiri kalau itu masih project ini, blood bank sing desian bagi tongan ba outdoor dah, outdoor ini masih pandai fair kanda, tongan ba apa pun sendiri lagi ba, dan kita punya bagi bagi jasa itu, donor bagi dongsa masih bisa kita bagi pandai dah outdoor sendiri bagi tongan boleh sing pun sing lekai club sendiri project ini, jika saya akan dah outdoor di blood campaign sing sendiri kita ni. Saya sudah pergi seminari ba ilai casi na puno saruk yamin si adu AP ba matamda ba ba po iba si akoi kopi ganu AP ba sina akoi ki haksang da lei ba ana aye hangduk pada test pada yang mating pangi matam ki akoi blood calculate tau bagi igi khunjel anu ba silakwa masibu masida akoi AP thok pasina isada mangjaba presul leite adu AP ba ki riba singa si ki binganu AP ba yara ba na hasin ki ba AP ba yara ba ahun sin thokuna Bagi miu ba mana miu ba ngi kusi thudang kan bada aku kudip na thudang yang se have si project ki mai kai degi kunan electronic media ki mai kuthang da project bijage
Writers Platform Manipur Head Office Langdungi Chief Patron amasong Literary Annual Award Donor Dr. R.K. Nayon Sanadevi Imphal gi Palace Compound leiba tongan ba organization amasong authority singna tha asigi ahan bachayolda lemjaningai oiraba award sing pirakre award sing adudi Bharat Ratna Icon of India 2026 Great Indian Parliament Award United States Global Merit Record Award singni. Award sing asi Dr. R.K. Nayan Sana Devina haukiba chahi kayadagi ngasi fawba lepa leitana kana lejadraba tola taraba singda mateng pangkiba sana khonaba arts and culture lau singuba IDP singda tengbang amasong literature gi lamda hena chaukhatnaba wareng seiring amadi film isa yauna hanba leitana honarakiba kayabu tawbima khangba amasong ikai khumnaba oina lemjoningai oiraba award sing asi Niti Ayog MSME loinana Ministry of Corporate Affairs masak khangba singna nupida sakti pibagi thausil amagi makhada pirakibani hairi loisinakpada maru iba pau amukahanna Manipur State Police Modernization Taunabagidamag Ministry of Home Affairs na lupa crore chamaga Manipur Taratarog Desnek Humpumathoy approve Tarakre. Nested scheme makahada Manipur State ki oina lupa crore chamriga Nifumathoy Desnek Kuntrani Panchang na Project kun mga paikhatli haina Donor State Minister Dr. Sukan Majumdar na Fongdokre. Atin na matangda Fangkiba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi Tarirak Suba Session Governor Speaker T.S. Satyabratana ngarang numidang wairam Sainday Adjon Tokre. Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen MLA LM Khaukte amasong MLA Ngursanglo Sanate Visual Morta Assembly Session Sir Yaki amasong Hanagi Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC gi President Oina Khankre Pungjab se fawbagi oinadi ISCOM na sandokshaba Manipuri News matang asidalojere makhataba pawgidamag ISCOM wi dingdaduna lebiyo